Discovering centipedes. Secrets of the fastest legs in the underworld. Have you ever lifted a rock, moved a fallen log, or stepped into a dark shed and seen a long, flat creature with dozens of fast-moving legs dash away in a split second? If you have, you've probably met one of nature's most surprising hunters, the centipede. Today we're diving into the hidden world of centipedes, mysterious animals that live in the soil, the forest floor, and even inside our homes. They are fast, fierce, and full of incredible adaptations. For the next 10 minutes, we'll uncover their bodies, their hunting skills, their venom, their habitats, and why centipedes are so important to the ecosystems around us. Welcome to Discovering Centipedes. Let's step into their shadowy world. 1. What exactly is a centipede? Centipedes belong to a group of animals called arthropods, the same group as insects, spiders, and crustaceans. But centipedes are part of a special class known as Chilopoda, meaning lip-foot, a reference to their venomous front legs. Despite their name, which translates to 100 feet, centipedes do not have exactly 100 legs. Some species have as few as 30 legs, while others may have more than 300. Centipedes are not insects. Insects all have 6 legs. Instead, centipedes have one pair of legs on every body segment, which makes their bodies long, flexible, and perfectly designed for slipping into narrow cracks and hiding under rocks. They are carnivores, which means they eat other animals, and in the tiny world beneath our feet, centipedes are fierce predators. 2. The centipede body, legs, speed, and venom. The most noticeable thing about a centipede is, of course, its legs. Each pair moves in a wave-like pattern, allowing the animal to run at surprising speeds. A centipede's legs help it move forward, backward, sideways, and even twist around an obstacle in a split second. At the front of the centipede's head are 2 long, sensitive antennae. These act like radar sensors, detecting vibrations, chemical signals, and movement in the environment. But the most important body part of all is the pair of venom claws just behind the head. These began as legs millions of years ago but evolved into powerful weapons. When a centipede attacks, these claws inject venom into the prey, quickly paralyzing it. Centipedes have flat, flexible bodies that let them squeeze into the narrowest spaces. This design makes them some of the most efficient hidden hunters in nature, always ready to ambush prey when the moment is right. 3. How centipedes hunt. Centipedes are nocturnal, meaning they come out mostly at night. Their hunting style relies on speed, stealth, and venom. They hunt insects, spiders, beetles, termites, worms, and small arthropods. But some larger species, especially giant centipedes, can take down animals far bigger than themselves, including baby mice, small lizards, and even small birds or bats. When a centipede senses movement with its antennae, it launches forward with lightning speed. It uses its venom claws to grab and bite the prey, injecting venom that quickly weakens or paralyzes it. Then the centipede uses its powerful jaws to tear the prey apart and consume it piece by piece. In the microscopic world of soil and leaf litter, the centipede is a top-level predator. 4. Where do centipedes live? Centipedes live in almost every part of the world, from tropical rainforests to grasslands, deserts, caves, and even cities. They prefer dark, moist places where their bodies won't dry out. Common hiding spots include under rocks and logs, inside leaf litter or compost piles, in soil crevices, beneath bark or decaying wood, in basements, bathrooms, and other damp corners of houses. Centipedes help scientists understand the health of an ecosystem. A place with many centipedes usually has healthy soil, plenty of insects, and the right amount of moisture. 5. Types of centipedes around the world. There are over 3,000 known species of centipedes, and each type has special adaptations. Here are a few fascinating examples. Giant centipede, Scolopendra. Some species can grow up to 30 centimeters long. These centipedes can hunt small vertebrates, including frogs, birds, and even bats. House centipede. Long-legged, extremely fast, and often found indoors. But don't worry, they are harmless to humans and eat pests like cockroaches, flies, and termites. They're actually great tiny pest control helpers. Stone centipede. Shorter, tougher, and commonly found under rocks in gardens and forests. These are the ones most people encounter outdoors. Although they differ in size, shape, and habitat, all centipedes share the same basic design: speed, sensitivity, and venom. 6. Are centipedes dangerous? Centipedes do have venom, but most species are not dangerous to humans. A bite from a medium-sized centipede feels like a bee sting, painful, but usually not serious. Only the largest species can cause strong pain or swelling. Centipedes do not attack humans unless threatened or accidentally touched. They prefer to run away rather than fight. Their venom evolved to capture insects, not to harm people. In fact, in many places, people consider centipedes helpful because they keep insect populations under control. 7. Centipede behavior and life cycle. Centipedes spend most of their lives hidden from sight. They avoid sunlight and dryness and emerge only when conditions are cool and moist. Female centipedes lay eggs in soil or rotting wood, and some species protect their eggs by wrapping their bodies around them. Young centipedes look like miniature adults but with fewer legs. As they molt, shedding their exoskeleton, they grow more legs and body segments. A centipede can live anywhere from 1 to 6 years, depending on the species. 8. Why centipedes matter. Centipedes play a vital role in ecosystems. They control insect and spider populations. Improve soil health by stirring and enriching it, help maintain the balance of food webs. Serve as prey for birds, amphibians, reptiles, and mammals. Although they may look scary, centipedes are important members of the natural world. Without them, insect populations could grow out of control. Bullseye conclusion and call to action. Centipedes are fast, fierce, and fascinating creatures, with incredible adaptations and impressive hunting abilities. They may live in the shadows, but their impact on the natural world is huge. The next time you see a centipede, remember, it isn't just a creepy crawly, it's a top predator, an ecosystem helper, and a key part of Earth's biodiversity. If you enjoyed learning about centipedes today, make sure to like, subscribe, and share this channel so more students can discover how amazing our world really is. Stay curious, keep exploring, and join us again for another adventure into nature's hidden wonders. See you next time. Bye.